Okay, so you guys, with this wig, as you can see, this is the Love Me wig hair immediately out of the box. The hair is very dry, it's very tangled, and the lace, I've come to find out, was very gray. This is the wig after I've replenished the curls on it, and all I did was I used water, and then I did a deep moisture treatment with a product that I'll be introducing you guys to in another video. And now the curls are soft, they're bouncy, the hair is manageable, and then I went ahead and I plucked behind the hairlines so that way we could get a decent looking hairline. And if you can tell, you can kind of see the grayness of the lace in this clip as well. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just giving her a nice braid down. I had already washed her hair and blown it out for the most part, so now all we're doing is a nice little braid down, and because her hair is pretty thick, we're just gonna do small cornrows going straight back. Doesn't have to be anything super complicated with this process. It's simple for the client and they can do it at home, and it's also simple for me. And then we're finishing the braid down in this portion of the video. As you can see, they're pretty small medium braids. That's what you're seeing here. And I also just sped up the video a tad bit because it's just braiding. Don't want to bore you guys with braiding videos. I didn't really connect the ends because that's not necessary because her hair's not that long for me to need to connect the ends or connect the end into the next braid. So I just did that, and then I cut the ends of the braid, as you're going to see here. Where are my shears? There they are. And we're going to be cutting the braids. Bam. Bam. So now I'm just doing her bald cap method. I am using a dark brown cap on her, and with the bald cap method, you guys, it's best to use the right color. I used a dark brown cap on her, and then now I'm just cleaning off her skin and getting her ready for glue application. We have finished installing the Luvme Hair Kinky Curly Wig, and as you can see, it's a nice little application process, and I'm just adding the finishing touches with the adhesive where it needs to be added because it wasn't 100% a 100% application. I normally try to apply in a very sporadic nature so that way I don't over apply glue. And so what I'm doing is I'm just cutting down some baby hairs for a natural hairline. It's not really needed. I was able to get the gray lace tinted to her skin tone, so you don't necessarily have to have baby hairs, but I created just some very simple and natural looking baby hairs to her hairline for her. All I'm doing now is just combing out the hair, and the hair combs out very well now that it's been, replenished with the curls and everything. And so I'm just making sure that her parting looks really good with this part. With these Luvme Hair lace fronts, by the way, you guys, it is a 13x4 frontal that they use to make it, so that's why the parting isn't as deep as one of our Beijing units would normally be. So that's something that you do want to consider when you're purchasing these wigs. If you're wanting a deep part, you're not going to get that unless you get one of the undetectable lace wigs from Luvme Hair, or else you're only going to get a 4-inch deep parting. And so I'm wrapping the hairline, and then I will be placing her under the hooded dryer just to set everything and make sure that her melt is seamless, and that way she can get a proper lay that will last her at least 3 to 4 weeks. So now we are revealing her hairline. And voila, as you can see, even though the lace was gray, we did go ahead and get a very nice blended look and a very cute, very realistic hairline that is very undetectable. But yeah, she's already in love with her hairline, as you can see. And I'm just going through some basic care tips, nothing that she's gonna have to write down and remember, but those curls look so beautiful and natural. It matches her type 4 hair, wet, and that's what she wanted. And then the hairline, as you can see, is also very flawless and natural. No bumps, no lace demarcation up close. Everything looks really good. And so that's what we wanted, a natural kinky curly look. So here is the after. Everything has been said and done, and after the installation, if you're wanting this look, because I'm not going to be doing this with the Luvme Hair Kinky Curly Wig ever again, you can purchase this hairpiece on my website with the same kinky curly look. It's a Bahia hairpiece on my website, and you will get this exact same look with deeper parting. Thank you for watching, guys.